Hey everyone, today I will be reviewing the YOLOtek PowerStick GoPro and action camera mount for your bass fishing boat. Every bass boat has a NAV light that you do not use during the day, so you just take that out and stick this down inside of the NAV light port, and you can see at the bottom of this it connects straight into it, and it will keep your GoPro charged all day long so you never miss another hook set or a big bass that you're catching or whatever. And I bought this because when I go fishing, I want my GoPro constantly running. I have a 1 terabyte card in the GoPro, and I want juice all day long so I do not miss any hook set for my videos. What I also like is the NAV light can vary in size. So there's 3 different sizes that you can clamp down on the NAV light port. So basically just remove this screw, pop out the one at the bottom, and choose the one that fits your NAV light. This YOLOtek has 2 USB ports, so obviously one of them is going to be to charge your GoPro as it's recording all day. The second port is you can charge your cell phone from it, or whatever other device that you have that you want to charge, you have an extra port. So if you're an avid outdoorsman that likes to create videos of your fishing trips, definitely check this out, guys. It has gotten all of my hook sets when I go fishing. I've gotten all of my catches. Never miss a catch, guys. It's always going. Just make sure you get a 1 terabyte card to keep that camera going all day. So anyways, check this out here on Amazon, and thanks for watching.